Hello everyone, welcome to Neurological Concepts Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about Anisocoria. Anisocoria literally means unequal pupils. So before we get into the concept of anisocoria, we need to know what are the functions of pupils. A pupil will control the amount of light that enters the eye. So that is the foremost thing. And by doing that, it ensures that the optimal vision is there for the appropriate lighting conditions. So this is the function of pupils. Normally, pupils are usually equal. Okay, so pupils are usually equal in size and they have a diameter of around 3 to 4 mm in ordinary ambient light. There is a wide range between 2 to 6 mm to be considered to be normal by some authors. So if it is going to be less than 2 mm, it is called as myotic pupil or small pupil. If it is going to be more than 6 mm, it is going to be called as a large pupil. Now, coming to the anisocoria as such, anisocoria is considered to be there when the difference between two pupils is more than 2 millimeters in diameter. So what if it is less than 1 millimeter in diameter? This is called as physiological anisocoria, and this phenomenon is seen in around 15 to 20% of normal individuals. There are certain factors to be considered in physiological anisocoria. First thing is the pupillary reflexes should be normal and the amount of inequality should always be the same in both light and in dark. So these are the characteristical features of physiological anisocoria. So basically, now the size of the pupil will depend on two factors. One is the parasympathetic activity and the other is the sympathetic activity. So both these factors will contribute to the size of a pupil. Parasympathetic activity via the short ciliary nerves which travel along with the third cranial nerve will ensure there is a pupillary constriction. The sympathetic activity via the long ciliary nerve will mediate the pupillary dilatation. So this concept is very important to understand the pathologies that are related to pupils. So regarding pathology involving the parasympathetic, this is going to cause a large pupils as the pupils get dilated because of inadequate constriction. The exact opposite, small pupils will happen if there is a pathology involving the sympathetic system. So example for parasympathetic dysfunction or large pupil are third cranial nerve palsy and Ad's pupil. So Ad's pupil is nothing but a pathology involving in the ciliary ganglion or the short ciliary nerves. Whereas if it's a small pupil, the most predominant thing is the Horner syndrome. The second is neurosyphilis, which is very rarely seen these days. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and any comments, kindly post them. Thank you.